Hello, hello, hello. Look at this beautiful mess I have right here. I'm super excited because I wanted to share with you coming up for the December 4th through the 6th. It is the Planner Therapy Sale, and I have a whole bunch of new releases coming out for the Planner Therapy Sale, and there will be, I think the coupon for them is 30% off, so everything in the shop will be 30% off plus all the new releases. But look at this. Finally, 3 months in the making, I finally had time to make the B6 and the Happy Planner Mini. So I'm going to be showing you the layout for this and also show you what kind of planners that I've used so far to see how these kits will work. And we're going to do this one together after I finish showing you all this. So hopefully you guys will stick around and you can see this one in action. But for now, let me show you what I've got here. So this one here is the B6, and I'm going to run through the B6 really fast. So you can see here that you've got all of the boxes here. This one, you've got tons of boxes. Tons and tons, just like always. And then I've got some flags down here, your weekend banner, and a little washi strip. This one's got all your decorative boxes on it and some half boxes. This one here, we've got some of the washi strips. These are like the headers. These are all of your check boxes and your check heart boxes. There's a couple flags. These are the arrow flags, a little bit of deco, more flags, washi strips. These are some of your like washi that goes at the top. And then here's a nice big notes section, which, you know, if you have a B6, you have that little section at the bottom, like a grid section that you could put that in. And then I just kind of broke it up so that you can use it for different types of lists. Here's your days of the week, your weekend banner. You've got all these little extras here, clean, wash, to buy, to pay, some more flags. Here is your deco, and it's so tiny. It's a little, not deco, I'm sorry, icons, and they're so tiny. Here is your Monday through Sunday box here. This is a little extra here, whole bunch of scripts. I even shrunk down the little mood trackers here, some more deco. And then because the B6 and the mini Happy Planner are kind of tiny, I wanted to still give you 6 pages, so I thought I would add in the monthly. So it'll be those 4 pages plus the monthly. And then if you don't end up using it as a monthly, as always on the monthly, I'll have a drop down box where you can either add the month. So if you would like to use this kit at a different time, no month, if you don't want a month on there at all, that'll definitely be on there so that you can change up what you want. There'll be a drop down box for this as well, or you can add it in the notes. Either way, I'm going to see it. But here is your monthly page. So here's your washi, here's a nice list, big old list on the sides, a couple little decos, your numbers, your weekdays, and then just boxes and some little appointment circles. And then I made it so that some of these boxes have places for you to write in. There's a blank, and then there's some with deco. You've got your halves and your quarters. So this is for your monthly page. So this kit will be, like I said, 6 pages. Same thing with the Happy Planner. So one of the things I did notice as well, and you will see a Happy Planner version of this. This is going to sound weird, but when I was going through all of the different Happy Planners, I noticed that the horizontal and the dashboard, the B6 kit fits better for that. So when you see this listing, you're going to see Happy Planner, and it will say, next to it, it'll say vertical and dashboard, but it will have the Happy Planner monthly page. Does that make sense? So they'll be different. Just look through the listings. If you're confused, message me and I will explain which thing is which, just in case you are confused by what I'm talking about. But if you have the Happy Planner vertical, mini vertical, it's going to be this right here. You'll see that in just a second. So let me put this one aside. So this one works the best for, right here I've got a personal planner. So this is a little Kiki K personal planner. So in this one, it's got the like kind of vertical, not vertical, kind of horizontal notes pages here for you to put all of your stuff on. So the B6 is going to work the best in this one. Different monthly layouts for these, but you know you can always get printables with any layout that you want. So if your planner comes with pages that you don't like, just print new ones, or there's tons of places out there that will even print them for you so that you don't even have to print them yourself. So anyway, just wanted to show you that in the personal size planner, the B6 I think personally works best. Okay, so this one here is my penny pages, and this is a B6. So inside of the B6, I'm going to pop this open to, this is how the pages look for a B6. So Same sizes. Also on the listings we'll have the box sizes. So again, if you're not sure which to choose for the type of planner that you have, I'll have the box sizes on there so that you know which one will work best for you. But for the B6, these are 1.5 inch boxes. So this is what this looks like. And then the monthly for this guy is right here. So this is how, so this particular one right here, let me go to it. Nope, that's the Happy Planner. Sorry, I'm going to the wrong one. So when you go to your monthly section here, this is going to fit this perfectly. So it's actually made for here and here, and here's all your dates. See, all of these are meant for this, and then this notes page goes right here. And then I left that part right there is important. So you can put the important right at the top. So anyway, I just wanted to share that one with you so that you know that this setup is perfect for this monthly setup. And most of the B6 monthlies look like this. Most of the vertical B6 setups are something similar to this with the same 1.5 size box. So B6 should work just fine for any of your B6 needs. So I'm going to put this little guy aside. And then we're going to move on to the Happy Planner, because the Happy Planner is the one we're going to do the plan with me. Actually, it's just setting up for the week. But here is the Happy Planner one. So here your boxes are 1 by, I think it's almost 2, not quite 2. But you've got tons of boxes here. Again, a whole lot of boxes. Same basic setup as the B6, but just longer. So things might be shuffled around a little bit. But you're going to get basically the same thing in every kit. Here is a smaller notes page. And all these goodness here. You've got tons and tons of stuff, just like in the other one. I won't spend a ton of time on it. Here's your little icons, some washi. Here's your days of the week, your little Monday through Sunday tracker. And then here's your monthly. So this is the monthly section. And again, same rules apply. If you don't want the month on there, you don't have to have it. If you want it, I'll put it on there, or whatever month that you want the kit for will be there. Tons of icons, I mean not icons, deco, and I can't, words are hard today. Let me tell you, I don't know what is going on, but words are hard. So anyway, that is all of that. So now if you want to stick around, I'm going to go ahead and use this kit so you can see how I imagined it to be used inside of your Happy Planner. So this is my mini Happy Planner, and I'm going to open it up, and I have all kinds of different things in here, but I want to go straight to the page that we're going to use. So for this one, here's the monthly page. And I'm going to zoom you in a little bit and move some of my cute stuff off out of the way. All right, so we're going to go to the monthly, which is, let me get to it. I have so many. Luckily, I have them up on the top. So if it says here MHPW, that's the weekly. And if it says MHPM, that's the monthly. So there. Now you know my secret code. You can figure out what pages are what when you get them. So there's a little notes section here on the side, and I did not make it to go the entire way up. I left it a little bit short so that you can put deco up here on the top. So that is why that is like that. And then you've got these guys here. Now the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to flip it upside down just like I do all of them. And then I'm just going to start putting these on, and I will speed through this. So play a little bit of music and speed through this so that you don't have to listen to me ramble on. Okay, so this is everything I'll put on the page. I still have a ton of stuff left over. I'll show you that here real quick. lots and lots of options. You can move this over into your weekly spread to use all the extras so that you don't have any waste. And also, you have so much stuff, you could probably make these kits last you a couple of weeks if that's what you wanted, or use them in other planners. So this is, didn't want to go through the whole week with you because you've already seen me set up the monthly, and same thing. So I just wanted to kind of point out a couple of things. I went really overboard with the stickers on this just to kind of highlight that there's a lot of stuff for you to do in here, a lot of different options, tons and tons of boxes. Maybe if you don't like your monthly and your weekly to be the same, you could pop this to the end of the month so that your monthly is one set of artwork and then you won't see this again till the end. This is it. Hope you like the new setup. I hope you like these new kit sizes. And yeah, I'll see you again real soon with some more new releases, because the new stuff is coming out on the 4th of December. So yeah, thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.